James is a senior investment banking analyst in large money management firm. He is currently working on an MNPI deal of merger between two well-known listed firms. Okay, he's working on the merger deal. He was traveling in a public conveyance when he received a call from his office. In the conversation, there was detailed discussion about the merger and purchase price and expected share price. Okay, so this is something which is different. I don't think it has been covered in standards as per rules and all, but from applicative point of view, this question is also good. So this is something which is out of the box, similar to question 2 and 3. So James is a person who is working on a merger deal. He has MNPA information. He was traveling via public conveyance, and in public conveyance he receives a call, and in call there was a detailed discussion about the merger, the expected share price and all those stuff. Is this violation of standard 2A? This is option A. I think this is a violation, but let's see. This is not a violation of standard, as he should always be responsive to his employer. No, this is not a violation. He should be responsive to his employer. However, he should be protective towards client's confidentiality as well. This is not a violation, as James did not had any intention to disclose such information. I don't think standard 2A ask about intention. It was standard 1C which talked about intention, and where intention did matter, but here I don't think intention is important. It's written anywhere. Standard C, option C, this is a violation, as standard 2A requires member to restrict the number of people who are aware of the MNPI information. So it is duty. If you recall the recommendation, again below firewalls there was some sub bullets that were there, and in that we discussed that limit the number of people who should know about the MNPI information. So hence it is his duty to limit the number of people. Rather than limiting it, he is openly talking about it in a public conveyance. In that situation, this is something which is not allowed, and this is something which is a violation. Okay, so yes, this is a violation. Reason is in front of you, so rational, you can just go through the rational, just have a read, and then I think we are done. Okay.